Okay, we'll look at some jewelry in Sam's Club. That one. Let me pan in closer. Does it help? I'm gonna pan back out.
I think it's funny seeing these
Invicta? Invicta? Because we see them at TJ Maxx.
Or if it's a U. But yeah, we see them at TJ Maxx for like 60, 80.
Yeah. Well, sometimes 78, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the purple one, 150 for that. And then 140 for this one. 180. What do we think about the all silver with one gold? I don't know. Oh, I like this one. 180. It says hustle. Huh. I like that. 830. And then we have this cross right here for 100 and no, not 100. But 1,200. 1,200. Okay, these are new. They're going to be $35, $34.87 by Members Mark. You will get 3 in here. Lovely blue color. And we have the hanging. These are $12.94 on the hanging pot. They brought out the movie outdoor screen. $100 on the outdoor.
Too bad it didn't come with a projector.
For little children, they have My First Water Slide, $250. Okay, you $20 for 100 Skittles and Life Savers. Looks like gummies, Skittles, and Life Savers. Okay, instant savings right here, $13.68, and you will get 40. You got Oreo Mini, Chip Ahoy, Teddy Grahams, Nutter Butter, and Ritz. You know what? I used to love Nutter Butter as a kid. Teddy Grahams was my favorite growing up. No BS. We have nut butter and oat, honey, cinnamon, peanut butter, and dark chocolate peanut butter. $18.86 here. 7 bars, 10 grams of protein. Let's find out. And $9.98 we have the protein balls. Made Good granola bar, chocolate chip, $12.48. Gluten-free and non-GMO, you will get 24. Organic veggie extract. And $7.98, you guys. We have the pasta sauce, Prego. I mean, you can never go wrong with Prego, honestly. And the variety pack, it is $7.02. Again, I wish they carry like gluten-free though. $13.98. Peanut butter chocolate chip and cookie dough. Oh gosh, they look so yummy. I'm not going to lie. 8 ingredients. 10 grams protein, gluten-free. It is a dairy-free. Ingredients like peanut butter, honey, egg white, gluten-free rolled oats, dates, cookie dough, peanut butter, almond butter, honey. It doesn't say anything about sunflower oil. That one over there, the nut butter and oat, had sunflower oil. So if you're trying to reduce seed oils, which kind of stinks because things look healthy, but I don't know. There's just, I don't know. For Smart Mouth, $14.98 right here. Plant protein, 1 gram sugar. Peanut butter and chocolate sea salt. Ooh.
It's got coconut oil. That's good stuff.
And a $14.98. $7.88, and the romper for babies. Oh my gosh, isn't that adorable? The cute little dinosaur man. These stripe. I do love the romper. Snap at the bottom. Very easy to, like, you know, clean their little booties. And for a little girl, oh, so cute. I like this watermelon print. Oh my gosh. $7.88 in the flower one. Pajama set, $10.96 here. So they have like Wicked. Still haven't seen it. Bluey. Stitch. These are so lightweight. They can't complain that they're hot. Pokemon. The ones by Members Mark are going to be $9.97. They're a tad thicker. They're organic cotton pajamas. You get top and bottom and shorts too. Like flowers and heart. Doggy and Paris here. Boys. Probably a dino and a shark, yeah. Dinosaur man, monkeys and dinosaur. And the ocean. And space. These are 10. Now they're calling these the men's patio shirt. $16.98 here. We have their patio, just to hang it on the patio, babe. Drink your little whatever you drink.
My little drink.
Your little drinky drink. $16.98. Graphic tees are $10.98. Los Angeles. These are by Lucky. Lucky with the eagle. Lucky brand. Okay. $20.98. You got the blackberry. Put this in a ninja with, I think they were saying to put like Simply Lemonade. It's supposed to be really good. And a ninja slushie. I feel like if I did buy that ninja slushie, I think I would gain a lot of weight. Because you know how much drinks I would be drinking?
But we would replace it with food with drinks.
Yeah. I don't know. Jim Beam 20. Bailey's. I still haven't tried this, but a lot of people say put it in Dr. Pepper. This is 22. I still got my Bailey's at home. Chocolate 20. What is this one? Cookies and cream, non-dairy. I didn't know Bailey's had like a non-dairy. $22.98. That's new to me. Mocha cream liqueur. Ooh, chocolate mocha. Oh, put that in the Ninja's smoothie with like some coffee. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. So, we've been seeing this everywhere, right? The biggies. Now, I never really paid attention. Well, I kind of did. Cocktails and chillers are different. So, chiller is more like wine based.
It's a wine cooler.
Like a wine cooler. Maybe that's why I didn't like them. A cocktail. More like vodka. So, yeah, I didn't know. I just know they're both 15% alcohol. It's the only thing I looked at. And then in 2010, this is $10.98 here. For the mojito, oh, I really do want a good mojito. And I really want a good mimosa. I was telling him, like, I need to make some mimosas. Dragon fruit here is 10. Okay, so on the rocks is here. The Cosmopolitan with vodka. Now, normally you find this in TJ Maxx and Marshall's, right? And the dried, you put the dried ingredients in. $17.48, but now I can find them with alcohol. My gosh, you want some shots? You get them for $19. The cooling throw is going to be $15. They have it in pink and blue. They also have the cooling pillow, just like Costco, $15 here. And this one's going to be $15.98. $13.98 right here. $37. The Lalo. I did watch somebody make something al Lalo and it looked really scrumptious. Okay, they have the berry cherry limeade here. Oh gosh, give me that and nugget ice. Nugget ice in that. That looks good, huh?
Throw that in.
And $12.88 here. The fried rice. I haven't tried this one. Normally I buy the ones in Trader Joe's. $7.94 coconut red curry chicken. You get a 4-pack in here. Okay, we have the Dyson 280 here. The Dyson Animal 3. Next to me, Shark Rotator 220. And $300 for the cordless Pro Stick. And $240 the Shark. I feel like I have this one. Do I have this one? 2-in-1 carpet cleaner.
We have like the older one.
$13.98. You get 50 refills in here. And we have the dusters for $13.88 and $13.48. Like what? Okay, here's a new food vine. Hip peas, chickpea puff, flavor blast, groovy, white cheddar, and chocolate cookie thins by Members Mark. These are $5. $17.96 here. SPF 70. And right here, 27. Banana Boat Sport SPF 50, 14.96 and 11.84. So quite a few deals here in the hygiene area, beauty, whatever. 15.86, 18, 12.98. You get 2, and 16.97, 17, 12.98. Sensitive Skin Body Wash, and they have Dove here. This is Dove, 12.98. The Atkins gummy bears, you get 16 count, low carb living, $13.98. The bill, I mean, I guess if you like it for a snack or something. I do still have half or maybe more than half. No one's touching it. $19.94. You get 13 bars in here. This one you get brownie batter and cookie dough chunk. I believe the one in Costco is a little different. Okay, we have lidocaine pads. These are $13.98. Biofreeze here is $15.98. You get a 2-pack. How much are your parents paying for these? You get 2 for $15.98. Motrin, $5.41 right here. And Excedrin right now is $14.48. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in the Sam's Club. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.